How to find working Temu coupon codes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your money while purchasing on Temu. To get started, you need to open the Temu app on your mobile device. Here, go to your profile by tapping on You. Make sure to be logged in with your account. Tap on Sign In to do so. After that, go to Coupons and Offers. Here you'll find the coupons and offers you have. If you don't have any, go back and open the web browser. Now search for grabcodesnow.com. You'll be redirected to this page. Here, tap on Temu Coupons. Now tap on Claim Now to claim your $100 coupon on Temu. After a few seconds, your coupon will be generated. Now you need to verify yourself to see the full coupon. Click on Verify and complete any of the given offers to get your coupon code instantly. After that, you need to copy the coupon code and paste it on Temu. You'll get a discount of $100 on your purchase.